Ever have one of those moments where technically the part is right, but in reality disagrees? Yeah, this PVC pipe should fit into the flange, but the wall thickness says absolutely not. So instead of forcing it, heating it, or buying an expensive boot, we're going to do the civilized thing and take it to the lathe. All I'm doing here is reducing the outside wall diameter just enough to get the proper wall thickness. PVC cuts really clean and easy on the lathe, and it's easy to sneak up on the fit. Perfect fit. No stress, no cracking, no glue, no panic. Sometimes the fix isn't forcing the part, it's making the part fit.